3.0 is teasing us more and more, and today I want to walk you through the new ClickUp AI feature, how it works, and how you can make your life more productive and just way easier using ClickUp's AI. I've been testing a lot of AI tools lately, and with my connection to ClickUp, it should be to no surprise that I had early beta access to the ClickUp AI, and I got to play around with it a little bit. And I'm here to say the only limitations is our imagination. So how about we go dive into ClickUp AI? Halt! Little warning, right now, as of recording of this video, ClickUp AI is only available in the beta program and in your ClickUp docs. However, AI is also rolling out into the task view. You're gonna have it right in your tasks, and it will function the exact same way as I show you now in the docs. So let's head on over there. To give you a nice little intro to ClickUp AI, I want to make sure you know two different ways of using the AI. One is freeform, the other one is predefined actions. We're going to start with the freeform, and then we're going to look at the predefined actions, shall we? With that, again, I already mentioned, right now ClickUp AI is only available in docs. And as you already can see right here, we have a summarize in there. We'll get to that. It's one of the predefined ones. So let's just pop right in and pull up our AI. Just like with any other action right here in ClickUp Docs, it's the /AI, and we have AI right here. As you can see, it opens up a box. There's nothing there. It's just some generate. Cool. Let's type something in. Give me 10 YouTube title ideas talking about ClickUp AI. Let's forget about the spelling. And there we go. This is freeform AI usage right here in your ClickUp docs. Tell it what you need. And again, just like with any other AI, make sure you are as specific as possible. If you didn't watch the live videos when I did the first look about this, you probably should. There's a couple of nice little pro tips in there. Just go check out the playlist. Now, let's look at the features that we have right here in this AI box. One of them is insert. That literally grabs what you just generated and plugs it into the doc. Then we have the try again. I'm like, yeah, you know what? AI, you didn't do too well on it, so let's just try again. And it regenerates based on what you ask it to do. You also can go right in here and with a max of 75 characters, because best practices on YouTube, and let's ClickUp AI regenerate this. So the edit button up here is where when you ran this and you realize the question you ask AI might not have been the best, that is when you go click that edit icon on top and just change the input to change the output. If you hit discard, it's literally, that's your delete button. Cool? Cool. Copy is literally your copy, take it somewhere else. Now let's just insert this into our ClickUp document, and you can go from here. Once it's imported right in here and it's inserted in your ClickUp document, you can edit and do just like anywhere else. Now, before we dive into the predefined actions that now are going to start popping up for us, I want you to pop into the comment section and let me know if I could wave my magic ClickUp AI wand. How would you want to use ClickUp AI? What would you want it to do? I already hinted on those predefined actions. One of them is the summarize. You have that on top of your docs right here in ClickUp, and hitting that button is this whole tell me what this is all about. And hitting that button literally just means tell me what this is all about, which becomes really fun when you are in a document with a lot of content. Just hit the button. Summarize that for me. What is this about? Look at that. Now, we are not going to do this right now. What other predefined actions have we, and how can you pull those up? There's two ways how you can pull up those predefined actions right here with your ClickUp AI in Docs. One is marking a specific text, meaning you only work in that highlighted text, and then right here we have predefined action items that ClickUp AI can do for you. Generate action items, perfect for meeting notes. Write with AI, that opens up the new box and you can continue writing on it to expand blog posts, for example. Explain this, and you might want to hit that subscribe and bell button because I am coming to you soon with new videos specifically for use cases of ClickUp AI, where we are going to explain this and summarize this too. Now, that was predefined actions based on a specific piece of your content. That's not all. You can go to the end of your document, so it pulls from all of the written content that's in there, and you have the same thing in here. So in this case, it's a transcription of one of our videos. Maybe I want to add a call to action at the end of it, and look right here. This now pulled out action items from this whole content. Just cut that. What else do we have? AI. Make it longer, make it shorter. There's so many possibilities for you to use ClickUp AI for your project management, for your general productivity, for content creation, for your blog posts, for your business. Did I mention you should subscribe because there's a lot of videos coming for you that dives in specific use cases. Now, here's a pro tip for you. AI spits out things as good as you put in. You really want to be precise with what you need ClickUp AI to do. If it doesn't spit out what you want it, try a different approach. Reword your question or what you are telling AI to do. Also, tell it to fix it or word it differently. Once you pulled it into ClickUp documents, you can again go back into AI and say, hey, can you rewrite this or can you word this differently? Be really precise with what you tell AI to do. Now, AI is a big deal and it's here to stay. I love it. It has saved me so many hours. But you have to make sure it will not kill your business. Yes, I said kill your business. Make sure it helps you. So watch the video to make sure you are using it the right way to advance your business. If you want to learn more about ClickUp AI and how I use AI in my business, there's a whole playlist for you. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the ClickUp AI magic happening in the future.